Music. Welcome to this Dropbox cloud storage review. Links are below. Dropbox is a leading cloud storage platform famed for its simplicity and powerful file sharing. Whether you need secure personal storage or efficient team collaboration, Dropbox offers a flexible, scalable solution. Dropbox shines with its user-friendly interface, making uploading, organizing, and accessing files easy. Automatic syncing across your devices keeps your content available everywhere. This fast, reliable syncing, even for large files, is a key strength. Dropbox excels at collaborative work. Share files or folders with a simple link. Collaborate in real time on documents using Dropbox Paper, leaving comments, making edits, and tracking changes effortlessly. Dropbox integrates with apps like Microsoft Office and Slack, boosting versatility for team projects. Get started with 2 GB of free storage. Paid plans, perfect for personal or business use, offer up to 5 TB and more at competitive prices. Your files are secured with AES 256-bit encryption for stored data and SSL/TLS encryption in transit. If you need reliable, secure, and user-friendly cloud storage, Dropbox is an excellent choice, especially for teams needing efficient collaboration and seamless file access. Learn more in the description below.